Hello class 11, welcome to your education online class. We have already started the chapter forms of education, and we have discussed a lot about informal education, and if we discuss the main types of education or forms of education, we have seen that there are three types of education: informal, formal and non-formal. So informal, its characteristics, and family as an informal institute of education we have already learned. Today we are going to start with formal education. Formal education, by the name we can understand, when something is formal, it is must be abided by some rules and regulations. It is being bounded by some rules and regulations which you have to follow. Now whenever you go to school, or the students, those who are visiting to college, or they are visiting they are going to a university, there are some rules and regulations about timing, dress code, everything is there, isn't it? So formal education is obviously something which has a discipline, which has some rules and regulations, which the students and the associated member with that institute are bound to follow. Now formal education, if you see, if you consider about your school or any college, right from the beginning, see, very beginning of the day, you have to come at the fixed time, then you have to follow a fixed routine. You, before you start your session, you used to get your routine, weekly routine, how you have to follow, and after that you used to get your evaluation, means examination time, and what time you are going to get your result. So whatever you do, the periods, the classes are divided into separate timing. You have a certain time for your recreations, isn't it? So everything, when some with a system, when it is running, it is called a systematic type of education, formal education, or an education which is a controlled one. Okay. So if we discuss the first thing, what we are going to read is the definition of formal education. After that, the characteristics we will see, and after that, what are the schools, how it is a miniature society, different questions are there. We will proceed part by part. So if we excuse me, if I define formal education, the system of education which functions in a definite social condition is formal education or controlled education. So a system which is functioning in a definite social condition. Why it is a social condition? See, different people, or the students, or the teacher, or the staffs, they are coming from different backgrounds, different social customs, from different cultural thoughts, and they are coming from different socio-economic background. But when they are coming to school, they are bound to follow some fixed rules and regulations. So that is like a society. When we are in a society, we are bound to follow the rules and regulations of the society. I cannot do whatever I like. I cannot behave the way I would feel, isn't it? I have to control my behavior. I have to change my behavior. I have to adjust and adapt, because you are in a classroom. Suppose a class is going on. If you want to shout, you cannot. If you want to dance, you cannot. If you want to do anything, whatever you like, you are unable to do, isn't it? Because you are quite aware about the rules and regulations, because that is why it is a social created or artificial condition which is created, and the atmosphere is created. This is a social condition, definite social condition, is called formal education or controlled education. It is being controlled by the teachers, by the authority. Some fixed official rules and regulations are also there which you have to follow. So the entire process is controlled by the authority of the school or the head of the school, and the rules and regulations, the teachers have to follow something, the students have to follow something. In online classes, you are getting live classes you are getting, so you have to join in correct time. So whatever you put, whatever from the first step up to the last step, your formal education is a pack of some rules and regulations. Now regarding curriculum, that also I must mention. When you are reading, you have a fixed curriculum what you have to finish in a day, in a year. So that is also fixed. So whatever you are doing in formal education with some discipline, and it is a socially created condition which is controlled and which all the members of that particular institute are bound to follow. So this is about the formal system of education. In the third or fourth video, I think you are going to get the PDF. Go through the PDF thoroughly. This definition is also provided in your book. I think you would not have any problem. Thank you so much.